Welcoming you all to my third tutorial of Pascal programming language. In our last tutorial, we learned the data types of Pascal, variables and constants. Now let's get into today's lesson. Operators are another important thing of every programming language. Today, we'll be learning the operator is a symbol that tells the compiler or interpreter to perform specific calculations, comparisons or logical operation and produce final results. Pascal has three types of operators. They are arithmetic operators, comparison operators and logical operators. Arithmetic operators are what we normally use to do our day-to-day calculation. It can be either adding 5 plus 6, p1 plus half row v1 squared plus row g equals to p2 plus half row v2 squared plus row g h2. At the end of the day, everything comes to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. More than this, we have an MOD operator and the IV operator in Pascal. MOD operator gives us the remainder of a division, while div operator gives the integer result of a division. Comparison operators are the second type of operators. They are used to compare values or expressions. The final result of an expression which consists of a comparison always takes a Boolean value. Hence, expression will be true or false. We have 6 comparison operators. I have displayed all of them with examples. Have a look at them. And the third and last type is logical operators. They are used to combine 2 or more expressions. We have 3 logical operators which helps our computer to take logical decisions. They are AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. AND operator and OR operator are similar in taking form. You can see the two on screen. Depending on the first and second expression being true and false, the result of the operator becomes true or false. AND operator gives the result true only if both the expressions are true. For all the other instances, gives false. Unlike AND operator, OR operator gives the result true if there is at least one true expression. It gives false only if both the expressions are false. NOT operator is completely different from AND and OR operators. Even in the way we form the operator, we can see the difference. A true expression is always evaluated as false with a NOT operator, while a false expression is always evaluated as true. You can see for two same expressions how does the result change when we change the logical operator. Now we are coming to the last topic of this tutorial, operator precedence. Look at this chart carefully. This is an important thing you should consider while using the operator. You may write your code in whichever order you want, but the Pascal will always execute your code in this order. I have given 2 examples for you for the better understanding of operator precedence. Okay, that's all for today. Hoping you all understood the arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators and operator precedence. See you in my next video. Until then, happy coding!